When it comes to driving guest satisfaction, cleanliness isn't optional. But you do have a choice when it comes to cleaning solutions. Scrub-free bathroom cleaner and disinfectant is an innovative solution that delivers great results in bathrooms as well as for your bottom line potential. Housekeepers spend a lot of their time cleaning bathrooms, with increased risk of injury from unnatural and awkward positions when scrubbing surfaces like shower walls. The scrub-free bathroom cleaner and disinfectant, applied with our new proprietary foamer, delivers a safe and simple alternative. The fan-shaped foam helps to provide full coverage, and true to its name, no scrubbing is needed for daily cleaning. When used correctly, Scrub-Free delivers cleanliness that wins rave reviews, and not just with guests. Housekeepers can save time and effort by increasing efficiency in every bathroom, leaving a shiny surface and pleasant smell. Scrub-free cleaning is easier, faster, and safer.